How to fix in case the Bluetooth of your iPhone 17e is not working properly, or it's disconnecting, or maybe it's not connecting at all. So the first thing I always recommend is to do a force restart. This will not delete anything and it fixes most issues, not only Bluetooth issues with your iPhone. So to do a force restart, we simply have to tap quickly, volume up, volume down, and then keep press this power button around 15 seconds until you see the Apple logo appearing on the display. Let's do it together. So volume up, volume down, and I'm keeping press this power button. I'm not releasing it no matter what I see on the display. I'll wait like this. The phone will have its screen turned off, and then the Apple logo will appear and I'll be able to release the button. Here we go. In 10 seconds, you'll be able to log in, and hopefully after connecting to your Bluetooth device, everything will work the way it is supposed to. Now, if you're still having issues after doing this simple trick, let's jump to trick number 2. So for trick number 2 is to disconnect your Bluetooth device you're having issues with by going into the settings, then selecting Bluetooth. So over here I have one Bluetooth device connected. Let's say I have troubles with it. I'll click the I button beside it and I'll select forget this device. Forget device. So now it got completely erased from your phone. At this point, turn off Bluetooth, turn it back on, and put that Bluetooth device into pairing mode. Once the device is in pairing mode, you should see it appearing other devices. Tap on it and connect again as a brand new device. Hopefully this simple trick again will solve your issue and you won't have to go any further. If you're still having issues after trying these 2 tricks, let's jump to, well, trick number 3. For trick number 3 is to do a network reset. Now, unfortunately, it will also disconnect you from the current Wi-Fi network you're connected, so you'll have to reconnect to it, but it will also reset the Bluetooth of this phone. To do that, well, okay, open settings, select general in the menu, then go down, all the way down, select transfer or reset iPhone, select reset, and now make sure to select this one, reset network settings. You'll have to enter the password of your iPhone. Select reset network settings. As it says here, it will delete all the network settings, returning them to factory default, and this is what we want. So I'll click this, wait a few seconds, it will do its thing in the background, and after it's finished, all right, you will have, as I said, to reconnect all your Bluetooth devices to your phone and also reconnect yourself to your Wi-Fi network, because these things will be resetted. Now, again, wait a few seconds, the phone is restarting. If after trying everything, it still doesn't work, I always recommend to connect that Bluetooth device to another phone, so maybe also another computer, just to rule out that the problem is not the other device, the Bluetooth device, and we need to make sure that it's the iPhone fault. So when you know that it's actually your iPhone that is causing all these issues, well, obviously, if you're watching this video right now, your iPhone is probably still covered through the Apple warranty, so I suggest you check with Apple. Maybe the Bluetooth module inside went bad and they can repair this. If you have any other tips on how to fix this issue, please write a comment down below. If one of these tricks works, write again. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to know what to try first. Anyway, see you in the next one and have a beautiful day.